Hi, I'm Greg Estes from NVIDIA, and we're here at SIGGRAPH in beautiful Vancouver, Canada. And what a perfect place to launch our brand new Turing architecture. The reason Turing is so special is because it combines 4 different processing types in one GPU. The first is a new real-time ray tracing capability using what we call RT cores. The second one is taking artificial intelligence routines, deep learning, and processing those with what we call tensor cores. The third one is to use the advanced shading capabilities that we have to draw graphics, and the fourth is to do simulation. The first Turing GPUs that we're announcing are the Quadro series. We've worked with many of our software partners to be able to show this amazing capability.
The speed of light, a universal constant.
The first one was with our partner Epic, and we showed for the first time how you could visualize something like that in the same way a commercial might be done for television, but all in real time. The second thing we showed was Turing for architecture and construction. We took a ray-traced view of a building in Bangkok, and then we modified it in real time using not one but 2 different industry standard tools, Revit and SolidWorks. While we did changes in those tools, those changes were reflected with full ray tracing. A classic use of ray tracing is Hollywood effects. We showed today how our new RTX software technology combined with the Turing hardware is able to create Hollywood effects much faster than they could possibly ever be done using CPU alone technology. We think this is going to have a great value to artists, animators, digital production people, and technical directors in Hollywood and all around the world in a market that's been estimated to be $250 billion. Quadro is the first GPU purpose-built for real-time ray tracing, and we showed it off in an amazing way that combined this real-time graphics, artificial intelligence, in a wonderful demo that had the audience dancing in the aisles.